Welcome to CAD Mafia. Today we are going to learn another simple basic model in SolidWorks as shown in this picture. Let's start. Select new, click on part and click OK. Okay. Apply scene, plane white. Okay. Now select top plane and click on sketch. Okay. Now we need to first draw this 3 circle which diameter is 9 mm. Actually this is 9 mm drill and the arc which radius is 14 mm. First draw the center line from here to here. Right click, select. Now draw 2 circle here and also here. Okay. Now press Ctrl and select these 2 inner circle and make it equal. And press again Ctrl and select this outer circle and make it equal. Okay. Now give dimension. The inner circle diameter, this is 9 mm, and the outer circle diameter, this is 14 into 2, this is 28 mm. Okay. And center distance of these 2 holes, this is 62 mm. From here to here, this is 62 mm. Okay. Now just select this circle. Okay. And mirror it through this center line. Okay. And give dimensions. The center distance of this holes is 76 mm. Select this holes and this holes. This is 76 mm. Okay. And the center distance from center line, the distance is 38 as shown in this picture. Okay. Simply just escape it. Okay. Now activate line command and draw a line from this point to this point. Right click, select. Again take the right line command and select line from here to here. Okay. Now activate mirror command, select this line, mirror about through this center line. Click OK. Now activate trim command and trim this inner portions. Okay. Simply exit it, isometric view, and here given thickness is 10 mm. Features extruded boss, already taken 10 mm. Click OK. The base part is ready. Now we need to make these cylindrical portions. Okay, select this face, click on sketch. Okay. Now draw a center line from here to here. Click OK. Now draw a circle. Okay. This is the outer circle which diameter is 33 mm. This is okay. And from center to bottom distance is 24 mm. From bottom to center this is 24. Okay. Now activate line command and draw line from this point to this point. Okay. Right click, select, and select this line, mirror about through this center line. Click OK. Exit. Isometric view. Now select Extruded Boss, and here this is 22 mm towards outer side and total length is 70 mm. Okay, now select this circle. Okay, this is the outer side, select also this one. Okay, this is 22 mm. Okay, now click on direction 2. Total length is 70 and minus 22, this is 48. Click OK and select the sketch again. Click on Extruded Boss and select this portion and this portion. Okay, opposite direction, and given length is 70 minus 22, this is 48 mm. Okay, this portion is also ready. Now we need to make this drilling portions, which is 16 mm drill. Select this face and click on sketch. Now draw a circle at the center point. Okay, give dimensions. This is 16 mm. Exit and click on Extruded Cut and depth is 54 mm. This is 54. Click OK. The design is almost ready. Now the fillet portions. Okay, select fillet, select this edge and this edge, change dimension to mm. Okay, and select also this edge. Click OK. Now the design is ready. Now activate this one. Okay, now change some color and appearance. Okay, select on metal, steel and drag it. Okay, and click OK. Click on edit appearance, change some color, click OK. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to get more videos.